update. Anong meron?
Ito, nag-register.
So, ngayon po ay January 21. Ang oras ay 7:19 ng umaga. May ano kami kaya, may mock interview mamayang hapon. Ano? Yun lang, wala na, boring. Ay, king ayam ka.
Video ba ito?
Kaya ka vlog room ko. Hello guys. Ang oras natin ngayon ay 2:06 2:06 ng hapon. So, today's date is January 21, 2026. And currently, we are going to have an interview or mock job interview with all fourth year students here in our issue quadrangle. So, here, sa pila nito ay for mock job interview for teacher 1. While on the other side of my classmate is for instructor 1. So, yes, I hope that I will be able to answer all the questions regarding to the application. Sure. English yarn. Wrong grammar at its finest. At its finest. Yan, kami ni Shine. Doon sila, oh. Nauna na. Yan. So, ito yung rating scale. Sabihin natin, mababa tayo dito sa communication skills. Babawi na lang tayo dito sa appearance. Well, appearance, personality, and job readiness. Dapat daw ganda daw tayo. Okay, bye-bye. Be right back. Uy, wakot storage, Bing. Ginatipid ko ba na?
It's always for improvement.
Hello guys, tapos na po ako sa mock job interview and I believe that I did well. So bale, ang nangyari kasi is ito ang grade ko. Yan. 1 mistake lang. Lahat 4. Oh my god, yes. It's just me. And